It's Sunday and I'm at home. That's at home. I'm here to go find some fall decor. You know, it's fall coming up right now, so we're in here trying to find some fall stuff and, you know, call it a day. So as you guys know, after fall comes winter, so start doing some vision casting so I can know what I want. I think I'm doing like a glamorous wonderland type of theme. Like I really want to go all out because this is my first Christmas on my own. Yeah, we're just gonna look around. I could be in here for hours and be okay. So yeah, I'm thinking white, gold, and light pink. Do like silver in the bathrooms. Thinking about a white tree, but I don't really like it. It looks a little too cheap, so I think I'm gonna go with something like this. Actually, this looks really nice. Like you could really make that pop. Oh my gosh, I really like this. It's like still green but it has white in it. It's either this, I think it's gonna be this one, because that one's just a little bit too dark. I like this a lot. What is it called? Oh, it's $150 too. Not bad. This I can bright up easily. 7 foot, that's not bad. 150, 149. So I'll come back to that very soon. I should check if they have it now. I don't want it to, you know, run out and I don't be able to get it. Oh, they don't even have them out yet. Okay, because I usually keep them right there. They don't even have them out. F3. So F3 is my tree, y'all, at home. This is so cute. So you guys got to get your inspo from like actual places. Just go in and buy something that you know you like, and then just find a place in your home, your room, your bathroom to put it in. Like this is super cute. I love this. I love this. I love this. All right, so I'm actually in the middle of making a reel too because I just started an official Instagram for my home decor and fashion, separate from BerryFae Beauty, separate from BerryFae 19. So I just started that today. So I'm actually creating my first reel. I go real hard on this just like I do on my other pages, but this is gonna be more for fun, but I'm still gonna go hard. So I'm super excited and yeah, it's gonna be lit. So if you are watching this, go follow my BerryFae Aesthetics page. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Yes, see, this is gonna be the vibe. White, gold, and a touch of pink. That is going to be my Christmas. I really want to start shopping now. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute on the table. That's like a cute rose gold. There we go, rose gold, white, silver, and gold. That's gonna be my colors. Rose gold, I'm not saying pink. It's rose gold, y'all. Oh, these are gonna be so cute around the house. Yes, ma'am. I'm pretty sure these are going to be the ornaments that I go with. These. See those? And then those. It's like not too pink, but just like a nice touch. But yeah. So right now I'm looking for a little bit of fall stuff. I'm not going to do too much because for me, for some reason, I feel like fall is very short. It's not a very long season, even though it's the same amount of days as any regular season. To me, fall still seems like the shortest of them all. It's like people rush through fall and then go straight to winter. Look at this cute setup. Anyways, like I said, I get a lot of inspo from actually going in stores. This is originally the type of table that I wanted for my dining room, but I'm glad I went with the other one. Yeah, I'm in the wrong section. I need to go to the pillows. I'm looking for pillows, throw blankets. I need to go to Burlington too, but I wanted to go to At Home first. Yeah, I'm super excited about this new, why is she so bad? This new Instagram channel page. right, my favorite stuff are here. I need a new plant for the bathroom. I'm gonna pause you guys right here. I do need more pillows though. I don't have enough pillows on my couch right now. I want to get some really big ones. Like these pink ones right here. I think these are going to be ideally what I'm looking for. This one is so big and it's super soft. And when I need to make fall pillows, I can just get a covering for this. But this is a good long-term pillow because it's super big and super soft. How much is this? So one is $20. If I was at Burlington, I can get two for $20. But it's a really big pillow, and that's what I need, really big ones. I also like this really big gold one right here. This would be really, really nice in the living room. This is also $20. Super big gold one. Ooh, this one's very nice. This one's $25. The things I do. I gotta get my content, okay? I gotta get my content up. Anyways, so I might not get pillows from here because for the price of one pillow, I can get two at Burlington. So I'm gonna check out Burlington. But the thing is about Burlington, they don't have all these array of colors like you guys can see. That's the only downside about Burlington. However, the thing about pillows is if you get a couple good ones, all you have to do is get new pillow cases. You don't have to keep buying pillows over and over. But these are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side because sometimes they do have a pack of two. Oh, these ones I love. I really, really love these. I might get another one of these because I have this gray one. I want a gold one because it's gonna go nicely in my room. This is $15 because I'm about to change my room to completely white and gold and get rid of all that extra pink. So I think I'm gonna get one of these. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of these. Put this on the reel. That was such a cute transition. Okay, but I want a pillow from the back because if it's in the front, people's hands touch it and I don't like that. Like I said, get it from the back. Oh, this is so cute. This is $15, but it's worth it. It can go a long way. You could put this in your bedroom, your living room, a lot of different places. You could use it for pictures of your nails, pictures of jewelry, anything. So this can go a lot of ways. You can use this for a lot of stuff. You don't have to just use it as a pillow. It's different, but it's cute. I just realized I'm in the clearance section. You want to start, like, if you are on a budget but you really want to up your whatever, get stuff on clearance and then just find a cover for it. So this pillow is a good pillow to go on your bed, your couch, but it's not my style clearly, but it's on clearance. So the red, I believe, is 50% off. So instead of $20, this is $10, which is worth it because all you have to do is unzip it and then just put another case on it, which you can get a case for about $5.99 on Amazon or whatever. So I'm actually gonna look through the clearance ones and see which one I would want as far as the cushion. So this one, again, it's on clearance and it says out of this world, but again, I would cover this up. Oh, this is a cute one. Oh my gosh, so this one feels so good, but it has this red mark on it, but it doesn't have a clearance sticker, so they need to put this on clearance. I'm gonna take it up to the front with me. I'm gonna take it up to the front with me and see if they'll give me a discount for it, because I could definitely put a cover over this, clean that off, put a cover on it, and then use it. So I'm gonna take this up front with me. I think that's all for pillows in this aisle. Let's go ahead and go to the next aisle and see what we can find. They have a lot of pillows here. That's what I really love about at home. Like every color you could think of they have. Look at all these black ones. Oh. Like I can't wait to like get married and make my husband's man cave, even though it's gonna be his, but he gonna need some throw pillows. I can get some nice black ones. Like, let me do what I gotta do, babe. All right, so here goes some. Oh yeah, they have 3 more aisles of pillows. So here are gray, silver. These are the neutrals over here. The grays, the silvers, some creams right there, some more blacks. Oh, that's not comfortable, but it's cute. Oh, look at all these pillows. But look at all these pillows on the floor. Like, this is why you gotta sanitize and disinfect your stuff. Oh, but I see one on clearance. Let's look at the clearance. What's down here? I don't want to just get random stuff. I want to get stuff that I'm actually gonna use multi-purposely. I just cleaned up these pillows. Y'all need to hire me. Give me a discount. I'm gonna tell them that, hey, I was over there cleaning up those pillows. So they need a better pillow system or pillow officer. Something, very much something. Trays are good too to put your jewelry in. These kind of trays. To put jewelry in, a candle, a picture, bowl filler, some rocks. Child, y'all can go to the beach and get y'all own rocks because they are really out here selling rocks. Talking about bowl filler. There ain't no bowl filler, it's rock. Girl, go to the, look. Y'all see these at the beach all the time. Go get yours some at the beach. They're over there selling a bag of rocks for $5. If I don't know what I'm gonna do with something, I'm not taking it. No matter how cute it is, I have to know before I leave the store what it could possibly do. That's just how I roll, how I operate. I remember the last time I was here, I had this in my cart and then I put it away because I'm like, I'm not actually gonna, well, I could put something in here, but what? I was gonna put my hairbrushes, but hairbrushes carry grease and stuff. I didn't want it to be all over the glass. I would have to clean it all the time. So be true to yourself when you're shopping. Don't just shop just to shop. Unless you just got it like that. Make it make sense. This is super cute. I like this a lot. $14. Here's the clearance stuff. Sometimes you'll find some good stuff in here too. Like this would be cute to put all your rings or your like little tiny earrings. I actually might take this because my earrings be all over the place. When I get out of the shower, I take them off. Or before I get out of the shower, I could put them in here. $5.99. So this is like $2 right now. I think I might just get this little thing. It will really be beneficial for me, honestly, because again, when I take my earrings off, usually I don't put them right away back into my jewelry stuff. So this would be good to have like on my bathroom sink. Okay, so this candle doesn't smell good, but it is a very cute aesthetic. I might get this. Put it like this in the background of a YouTube video. Very much cute. Is it worth $6 if I'm never really gonna burn it? I'll burn it in emergency, but it's super cute. A cute background candle. Oh, let's check out this clearance section. Yeah, I found a few things, not much fall stuff, but these baskets were on clearance. So they're like $5 each. So I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna put them in the bathroom closet. I think I'm not gonna go to Burlington. I'll say that for another day. Oh, look at this big gold tray. I could do so much with this. $15, is this worth it? It is worth it. Worth it, $15. I just don't want to overdo it with the gold in my apartment, but that is so cute. I be telling y'all, this is like the stuff that I be buying is not stuff that you can't buy too. It's literally the most basic stuff. You just have to get it and buy it and make it work. Lesson of the day. Anywho, I'm not too into these kind of stuff, but they're still cute. Like, I don't have nowhere to put them. So I looked a little bit more in detail to this section, the Copper Peak collection, and I found this cute thing. How stinking cute is this? Like, you think you don't need it until you really need it. Like, this is so cute for a coffee table with some pampas grass, just like the one I have in the living room, but this has a different color, different texture. Like, this gives me so much more inspiration to keep painting. I love this one as well. This one is super cute, super heavy. You could put a candle up top, really cute. I like this thing as well. It's like a little crisscross thing. I have a pillow that I want to get in my Amazon cart just like this. This is $15. It's worth it, but I don't need it right now because I don't have nowhere to put it right now until I put up my shelf in my beauty room. Time to check out. So I have a question about this pillow. Can it be marked down because of that? I don't know. I like the pillow, but I'm like, no. It was near the clearance one, but it didn't have a clearance like flash through it, so I just assume it's not on clearance yet. I don't know what's this. Oh, I'm under $100. That makes me so happy. Alright, you guys, so I'm going home. It's probably the end of this vlog. I need to get a separate camera. I need to get a separate phone. I need to get another phone because now that I have 3 Instagram pages and YouTube and my business, I cannot have everything on my personal phone because it's filling me up so fast. Okay, I'm about to go home and take a shower.